This is the video guide dedicated to help you remove Hero Searcher. Hero Searcher is a new browser hijacker that keeps targeting the majority of popular browsers right now. Its main mission is to change your default search engine, and the results may be provided by Yahoo, Bing, or DuckDuckGo. So when you submit some search queries, you may notice that this redirection takes place. And because of that, you are not able to surf the web in a way that is convenient for you. The extension controls important browser settings such as your default homepage, the default search engine, and some other settings. It also may cause continuous redirections to random websites without your uh, permission. So the quicker you get rid of the extension, the better. I recommend you to go to the menu of your browser, click on More Tools, and then choose Extensions. Then you need to disable and delete any suspicious extensions. And be careful not to remove all the extensions that are there because some of them may be decent. Finally, I recommend that you double check the safety of your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. That's the powerful antivirus for Mac, and you may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and start scanning your Mac computer with it by clicking on the Start Combo Scan button. But before that, the program will update its antivirus database, and then you will need to click on Start Combo Scan. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.